Welcome to Linux for You. My name is Sushil Sharma, and today we are going to build a production style full-fledged real WordPress website with the help of Podman container, and we will use the MariaDB database with the persistent storage volume. So if you are learning the RHCSA, if you want to make the career in Linux, or you are looking for a wonderful BCA B.Tech MCA project, so it is a good skill to have practice. So and if you want to learn Linux in depth, you can join my batch. That is an online batch, right? And you can contact me on timestrainer@gmail.com. So if you are serious in learning, then join my live online batch where you will see the hands-on labs and you will practice your RHCS exam. You want to make career in the Linux, so please join me, right? So let's go to the lab. Now we will download some images, right? One image will be for WordPress and one image will be for MariaDB. So how we'll search the image from the Docker Hub? Let's see. So the command is Podman search, and first I am searching WordPress image, right? From which hub? Docker. And I want to see only the very first line. So this way we will see the image name. Yes, here you can see the image name. Same way you can search the MariaDB image name. So in the place of WordPress, write MariaDB, right? So we are searching both image. Now you see the name of MariaDB. It is the image name of MariaDB. So we have to download both images. So I am copying from here, or you can type the image and pull the image, download the image. So first I am downloading the WordPress image by the command Podman pull and the image name, right? It will take some time to download depending on your internet speed, right? Now the image is downloaded, and next is we need to download the MariaDB image also, right? So let's see how to download. So in place of WordPress, just you have to write MariaDB, right? So it will also take some time to download, right? Now the image is downloaded, so we will verify both images by the command Podman images. So you can see the WordPress image and the MariaDB image, both are downloaded well, right? After that, we have to create two components before going to create containers, right? So first we need to create the network container, network component, and next is the volume, right? So how you can create the network? So the command is podman network create, and I will take the name WP network. Same way I will create the volume where my data will be stored, right? The command is volume, and my volume name will be MariaDB -dict, right? So you can verify both that are created or not. So first verify volume. Yes, MariaDB volume storage is created. And the next is verify network, Podman network ls. So yes, my network is also created, right? So both components are created, right? Now it is time to create the MariaDB container, right? Now you can see the command we are running the Podman container in detachable mode. Name MariaDB container name, network that I have created earlier, WP network. Red Hat will be my SQL root password, and my database name will be WordPress. My SQL user will be WP user, and my SQL user password will be Red Hat. And it is my storage volume that I created, and it is mapping to varlib MySQL database location, and it is my image name. So this way I am creating the MariaDB container, right? And after that we will verify that it is created or not. So the command is podman ps. Yes, it is created. MariaDB container is created, that is using this port, right? So here the container is created. After that we have to create the container of WordPress. But before that we have to inspect that our WordPress container is exposing which port, 80 port or something else. So you will need to run a command for that. So see the command. So we are inspecting the WordPress image. So see command carefully. And we want to see the mapping here. So grep map. So here you can see the WordPress container is exposing the port 80 TCP port, right? So it is exposing this port, right? Now we are going to run the WordPress container by the command. So my container name is WordPress. We are using WP network, and it is my MariaDB database name, and WordPress DB name, and DB user is WP user, and password is Red Hat, and my image name is WordPress. So this way I am creating the WordPress container, right? After that we will verify it. So now we will verify both container with the command podman ps, right? So here you can see the WordPress container is running, right? So container is running well, and after that we are going ahead, right? So let's create another. So this way the both container are running. One is a MariaDB container and next is WordPress container. So both container are running well, right? And after that we are going to the firewall, right? So here you can see the command once again of WordPress container, right? So we have exported the port. Container port is reflecting 8080, so it is my host port. It means my website is working on 8080. So container port is mapping to 8080. So we have to allow 8080 port to the firewall. So inside the firewall, allow this port. Otherwise, you cannot access website from the other machines, right? So the command is sudo firewall -cmd -add port, and which port we are using, 8080/TCP permanently we are adding, and after that we are reloading the firewall, right? After that you can verify the port is opened or not. So the command is list ports. So you here you see 8080 TCP port is allowed in the firewall, right? Now we can access our website in the browser. So better you go to another machine. It may be any desktop machine, maybe Linux, maybe Windows, where we want to access our WordPress site, right? Now I am opening browser in my Windows, right? And first we need to know that what is the IP address of my this WordPress website machine, right? So my server IP is IP space A grep ENS 160. So here you can see this is my machine, Red Hat machine IP address 250, right? So in the browser, go to the another machine. In the browser, you have to type the same IP 192.168.29.250 colon. My published port is 8080. So this website you have to access, right? So we will see that website will appear in some moments here, and after that we will go ahead. Now everything is set up and opening the web page. You have to write in the browser 192.168.29.250 colon 8080, right? So IP address and colon 8080 you have to type in the web browser in the other machine, right? And then go to the continue button. And now you have to set up your WordPress website, right? So it is a website or WP admin page where you need to tell the site title, right? So I am writing my title, Linux for you website, pass RHCSA exam, and my username will be Linux for you admin, and I'm setting my own password. So it will be my password because it is a weak password. So I'm checking this confirm use of weak password. So it is my site name, it is my username. So this username you can take anything and the password that you want, right? And after that you have to enter your email ID, right? So I'm entering my email ID timestrainer@gmail.com, and after that you have to click on install WordPress button, right? So install WordPress button you have to click. After that you will go to the admin page of WordPress, right? Now click on the login. Your username, password, you can click on remember me and login, right? So you are the admin of the WordPress website, and here you will see a website is already created. So where you are, it is the admin page of WordPress where you will uh, change your website, or you want to change the appearance of the website. So where your website is, you have to open the browser tab once again. So I'm opening another tab and just write 192.168.29.250 and 8080. So it is your website that is designed by the WordPress automatically, right? If you want to change if you are not liking this theme, you can change, right? So suppose in the admin page I am changing the theme of this website. So here appearance and themes. So you can do many things in the admin page. I am selecting this theme. So click on activate. Now the theme is changed. Refresh the site, press F5, and the theme will be changed. Now the theme is changed. So this way I designed a Linux for you website, this website. So if you are liking my video, so please subscribe my channel so that my new video will not miss to you. If you are serious in learning Linux, then join my batch. That will be the online batch, and there will be a hands-on labs practice you will do, and you can pass the RHCS exam after that, and you can make your career in the Linux. So contact me on this mail ID, right? So I hope you are liking my video. That can be a wonderful project for a BCA B.Tech MCA students, or it can be a good practice for Linux administrators or RHCSA practitioner. So right, so every day I'm uploading the video daily basis at the evening 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. So thank you for watching my this video.